Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add or install WordPress into cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a bit of a different process than usually installing. However, there are two ways. Excuse me. You do have the auto installer, which is a very useful tool, which I'll show you what that means in a moment, and you can also install it manually. So now, because I don't have access to cPanel or a premium version of WordPress, I'll only be able to explain this through the use of some steps that I found online, so I'll go through them really quickly. Now, to use the installer or the toolkit, you just need to go into cPanel and go log in, of course. Go into cPanel, Home Domains, and then WP Toolkit. Then click on this and manage the installation through there, and everything should be installed nicely. Additionally, you can install the WordPress installation manually, which is a bit of a more tedious process. However, it does have certain advantages since you can customize where and how you want to install it. Not so sure for the installer, however, that might be an option there as well. Now, to install it, you need to go to the WordPress website and download the installation for yourself. Download the zip file and the package, and you should be good to go after that. Then you need to create a database for WordPress on your server, either using MySQL or MariaDB, and you need to create a user who has all the privileges to edit it. Now, additionally, you can also optionally rename the config sample and config.php files, and then you can edit them and add your database information. After you're done with that, you can then go ahead and upload the WordPress files to your desired location. If you want to upload and just integrate WordPress into your site, you just need to upload it or upload the files into the root directory. So just use all the unzipped contents that you've downloaded, excluding the directory itself, into the root directory of your web server. Not so sure on how you can do this on cPanel, but you should be able to figure it out quite easily. Additionally, if you want it to have a subdirectory on your website, for example, a blog, you just need to create the blog directory on your server, then upload the unzipped contents of the WordPress package via FTP, and you should be good from there. Afterwards, you just need to run the install script. This is basically the URL where you uploaded the WordPress files, so it should be the standard URL for your website if you installed it and integrated it into the root. If you didn't, then just use the extension with the subdomain or the subfolder or subdirectory where you installed it. And after you do that, then that should be pretty much it, and WordPress will be installed on your cPanel website, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.